Hello, my name is Richard Anthony Marca, and this is my CSC 323A homework number 4, which is cloud functions. So instead of being assigned to a standard infrastructure team like in the previous homework, this time I'm to work on a social media project. The core feature is that images get a wacky little filter applied and are only viewable for a short time before they vanish forever. Which means this system utilizes a serverless architecture. So I am to build a fully automated pipeline where a user uploads an image to an entry point and the system automatically creates two copies. A thumbnail, which is about 100 by 100 pixels for the grid view, and a fun color effect filtered one. A cleaner bot then wipes the image on a schedule, where the main point of this assignment is to demonstrate decoupling services where each acts independently of the other to deliver the functionality. So as you can see, there are two buckets. There's going to be processed image and raw image. And if I go over to IAM service accounts, you're going to see that there are four main service accounts, which is going to be the first function, which is the HTTP. That's going to be the intake, which is this one. Which has storage object creator. We have the processing agent, which will have storage admin. We have the cleaning agent, which also has storage admin. And we have the retriever, which instead of admin, it has viewer. In fact, processing agent has a different function between the raw image and the processed image. Here are the four services for the cloud functions, which is intake, processor, cleaner, and retriever. If I open the terminal, and I put in this to test function A. Well, first, this is everything that's inside. So this is going to be the image that we're going to be using. I don't know why this is open. Here is this is not the main we're going to be using. We're actually going to be using the mains under retriever, process, sir, intake, and cleaner, which has, this is the main for cleaner, the main for intake, the main for processor, and the main for retriever. But going back to the terminal, if I insert, so if I build a container for intake, once it's complete, and I enter this, it says it's been uploaded. And if I go under the raw image bucket and refresh, there it is, the image. And now to test the processor. So if I type this for the processor, and then I use this, and now that I'm checking the event arc to make sure that it works. So while it is loading, so if I run this, it is able to complete the operation. Now, if I do the cleaner, now if I go back under raw images, now it is gone. And if I want to test the retriever, now it's going to be retrieved. And that is everything for this homework assignment. Thank you, and I will see you next time.